What is up, guys? Hello and welcome back for the first video of the new year. Happy New Year to everyone watching. I'm back with the GR here, and I got a bit of just a cosmetic mod today. I've got these beautiful red Fender Shrouds. Let's go ahead and unbox them now from Racer X. There's the box. And wow, everything is just beautifully packaged. All the hardware is included. Let's go ahead and take that out. Take this out. And there they are. Ooh. Ooh, this looks very nice. As far as I'm aware, nothing, they don't serve any purpose. Just a replacement of the factory plastic shrouds, which are right there. Just held in by some clips. These do have hardware included, so at least some very nice looking fasteners. So at least that's gonna look better instead of the plastic clips. And just freshen things up here in the engine bay. I got them in red. They had them in black and red, and I went with red to kind of match the engine cover there and some other red aspects and some future stuff that I have planned. And I'm gonna get, it's a matter of time before I get this strut bar powder coated in black and red as well to match. So yeah, let's go ahead and install them and see how that comes out. So, should be fairly straightforward install. They're held in by a couple of clips. So we're just gonna prop that up. Now, my guess is these clips are gonna break. And honestly, that might be the easier way to get them out, and the faster way. I don't really know what the proper way to get these out is. There's no tabs anywhere, and yep, that broke. And there's one more here, which I rather just break anyway. I already went ahead and did the other side, and exactly the same scenario. The clips just broke. But once you have that off, all you need to do is take this bolt off. It's a 10 mil. Take that off, and that goes right on there. Now, one of them, as you guys just saw, has already a factory mounting point for the bolts, and one of them you do have to tighten down with a nut and a washer on the underside. So just as I'm struggling to get these bolts out of here, so there we go, in through the top here. Nut and washer on the bottom. There we go. There we go. We'll tighten that in a moment. And this last one here, like I said, goes right into the factory where we took that bolt off from. There we go, and Now it's as simple as just tightening it down. There we go. And that's that. For once, a simple install was actually a simple install. So let me go ahead and show you guys how it looks. There's that side, there's that side. The strut tower does get a bit in the way, the strut tower bar of the logo there, but it is what it is. Like I said, it's a matter of time before I get that powder coated. Or I might go ahead and get the Blitz strut tower bar. I feel like that would be more effective because it mounts to the actual strut towers. Either way, that blue's not going to be blue for much longer regardless, so we're going to have everything looking very nice and matching. So disregard that blue that sticks out like a sore thumb for now. And thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.